I'm here with what you've all been waiting for. Well, maybe not you guys, but me for sure. It's the grand reveal of the pantry. I have been so excited about this since the moment I hit order on that pantry system. So excited to get it installed and show you guys the final product. I absolutely love it. Sometimes I just walk by it and open the door to look at it, smile a little, and close the door. It's ridiculous how happy it makes me. As one might expect, we're going to begin by building the closet system, the pantry system. So this is a system from Modular Closets. It came in a total of 18 packages. But I will say that the packages are all labeled on the outside as to what they are. The hardware for each thing comes inside. Then they send you this booklet. It really does make it pretty darn simple to put together. I would say far less frustrating than any kind of IKEA furniture or anything like that. So it was surprisingly simple to put together. I did make a couple mistakes, as I always do, because I'm not good at details. And sometimes I'll think okay, that looks, yep, I got that, okay. And then I'll realize that I didn't pay attention to a finer detail and miss something. And of course that happened here, but that's all right. No harm, no foul. And now we had to go through the process of essentially emptying the pantry again, because we've been kind of for weeks now surviving by just kind of shoving everything in here, which I think is probably part of the reason that I was so elated with this project when it was done, was because, as you can see, this is not an organized or helpful way to store things. We just kind of had to throw stuff in here. The cans are all in a basket. It was just a mess, but it was all that we had once we took the shelves down and everything. It's the only choice we had, and we've been living like this for quite a while. So first things first, get the pantry empty. Once everything was put together, it was time to actually install the pantry. I mean, dang. You talk about purty girl. She's purty. Okay, she's purty. Obviously, you could just add shelves. They send you boxes of shelves to go with this, and you could just add the shelves, which I will do in a moment. But I did also order some of the drawers and baskets because, well, I wanted to. And the can drawers are amongst my favorite things, and probably what makes this system to me the best compared to other things I've looked at is the option to have these drawers. I mean, you can put anything you want in them. You can space them as far as you want, and you can put, oh my gosh, sorry y'all, there was just a stink bug on me. Sorry, recording this voiceover out in my cabin, and I just looked down and there was a stink bug crawling across my hand. Yikes. I wanted to use them for cans. I may, like everything else and every other project I do, I set it up one way, and then I may go in later and change things and be like, no, actually I want, to put this on the drawers or whatever. I ended up using all of the drawers for cans, and ultimately we didn't actually have as many cans. So I may, switch things around, move them around, which is great. You can totally do that, right? You can move the tracks up and down. I got the big basket over there on the right for bags of chips and stuff. And then I did a smaller basket at the bottom for potatoes and onions. But we'll just kind of see. I like that I can add those at any time. I can go back and order more baskets or more sliding drawers and move things around. Obviously the shelves all move around to make it, very functional. And the other thing is, this is inside of our pantry, so I'm not going to do it for this, but where they are connected like that, you could totally get like some trim pieces or something from Home Depot and essentially trim it out at the top and along the sides and make it look like a custom built-in thing. So I love that there's so many options, and the quality is excellent. In my opinion, it's a better quality than something like an IKEA shelf or whatever. They feel like a better quality to me. And I love the result. Let's take a look. Ah, need like angels singing here, right? Yes. Just look, even now, just sitting here watching this back, recording the voiceover, I'm like, dang. I love it. I love it so much. So much. Still using a lot of my same organization products from last year when I did this project. I will link those down below for you, but the airtight containers from Walmart, some of the other home edit line stuff from Walmart, a few things from Amazon to keep all the food organized. I used my Cricut to make the labels for it, but I love these drawers just sliding out, and then they don't have like a slow close, but you push them and then kind of like snap them back into place. These are from Amazon, these little containers. I used some of those in the fridge project, if you saw that. Just sorting little things here. And then at the top there's where I've just been tossing our extra paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls as we bring them in from the garage. So our big storage is out in the garage. I still have like further organization I want to do inside of there, but I absolutely love how much vertical space it gives me, how it nearly fills all of the horizontal space. It just utilizes the actual space within the pantry so much better than what we had before. So do I wish that I could have done this like from the jump and not gone through multiple iterations of pantry organization before I got here? Yes. Does it always happen like that? No. I'm just glad that we got here. You know, come hell or high water, we got here. And I absolutely love it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Join us. We're not done with the decluttering series. We're still continuing on. We've got a couple more weeks left. It's not too late. The workbook and everything to join us is free. I'll put all that information down below in the description box. And I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye.